Hello! What's up mga Mars and mga Pars? It's your boy Jay. I just got out of the gym kaya medyo pawis tayo today. But you know, pawis is just a proof that I'm working hard, diba? Sa gym and sa life. Also Mars and mga Pars, it's my birthday today. Your boy just turned 25. At least I'm as busy right now so I'm taking over her vlog. But don't worry, this will be fun. And for today's video po, we're going to be reviewing the most trending Dubai chocolate. Oasis Treasure Pistachio Dubai chocolate. I think my ate got this for $10. And after this, I'm blowing out my cake. Excited na ba kayo? Kasi ako super excited na. Ito siya. Ayan. Ano naman siya masarap, pero let's see, it has 210 calories, 40 grams. Okay na yun, birthday ko naman. Yan na ako. Yan na yung big reveal. O, diba? Ayan. Actually, malaki siya. Makapal siya, pero hindi siya ganun kalaki. Tignan natin kung worth it ba or hindi. Amoy pa lang. Amoy package na mga Mars, amoy abroad, amoy Burj Khalifa. Pero sige nga, titikman natin para malaman natin kung worth it ba or hindi. O diba, may pa-plastic pa siya. Ayan. Ang sarap. Amoy pa lang, nakagutom na ako. So, eto na siya. O, nagugas ako lang amoy Ano naman siya masarap. Unang kagat. Ay, wait lang. Ano ko muna. Ikakrak ko muna siya. Soft niya actually.
Oh my God.
Closer look. Ito yung kanafe na sinasabi nila. Try natin. Crispy siya. Oh my gosh. Mars. Seryoso. Sarap niya. Parang alam mo, parang bawat tagat, gumagaan yung buhay. Okay. Feeling ko may kasamang free financial advice tong chocolate na to. Kaya kung gusto nyo ma-feel yung konting kayamanan, kahit 5 minutes lang, eto na yun. Sarap. Para ako nasa Dubai, yung deserto, nakahiga ka lang doon sa deserto. Ang mga Mars and mga Pars, tapos na tayong i-review yung Dubai chocolate na sobrang sarap. Kung worth it ba siya for $10? I don't think so. So yung i-try at gusto niyong maramdaman na parang sa Dubai kayo, go na. So mga Mars and mga Pars, dahil 25 na ako today, I bought myself a cake, kaya samahan niyo ako mag-celebrate. Maliit itong cake na nabili ko, pero it's big in meaning. So bago ko i-blow to, gusto ko lang mag-share ng real wish ko. As I turn 25, I realized that life isn't about having everything figured out. Minsan, ang dami mong plano, pero hindi lagi nasusunod. And you know what? That's okay. My wish today is simple. Sana makahanap tayo ng peace kahit di pa tayo sure sa lahat ng bagay. Minsan, Mars, the journey is more important than knowing the destination. Boom! That's my wish for you and me, mga Mars and mga Pars. Peace, clarity, and courage to just keep going. Now, mga Mars and mga Pars, real talk tayo. I've been thinking a lot about life lately. Lalo na pag nasa 20s ka na, yung pressure is real. Everyone seems to know what they're doing. May stable job na, may plano sa future, pero ikaw minsan parang you're just going with the flow. But here is the thing I've learned. You don't have to have it all figured out right away. Life isn't a race. It's okay to take your time, try different things, make mistakes, and, you know, grow along the way. I used to think na kailangan ko ng clear roadmap sa lahat ng bagay. Sa career, sa relationship, everything. Pero alam mo Mars, sometimes the best moment in life comes from unexpected. Yung mga times na sinubukan mo lang kahit takot-ako o yung mga decisions na ginagawa mo kahit hindi mo pa alam kung tama ba. It's all part of figuring out who you are. So my advice, don't be afraid to put yourself out there. Even if you don't know exactly where it'll take you, just keep moving. Keep growing and trust that you'll find your way. Minsan the only thing you need is the courage to start. Ayun, dahil medyo naging emotional na tayo dito, diyan ko na lang tong birthday cake natin. Eh, 25 na ako. Ito na. Simulan natin kumanta. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to me. Alright, mga Mars and mga Pars, thank you for sticking with me on my birthday/chocolate review special. I hope you enjoy hanging out with me today. Ang saya ng Dubai Chocolate Experience review na to, pero mas masaya dahil kasama kayo. Uuwi na ako ngayon kasi anong oras na? Kaya naman huwag kalimutang mag-like, mag-share, mag-comment, gawin nyo na lahat, mag-subscribe kayo. Stay real mga Mars and mga Pars, stay happy, and remember, just keep going. Bye-bye!